Integers. What is an integer? An integer is a negative or positive whole number. 10, 28, negative 28 are integers, while 1/2, 10.5, 3.1416 are not integers because they are not whole numbers. What are negative numbers? Let us first understand what negative numbers are. We know that 0 means nothing, but there are instances in our life when we use number less than 0. For example, boiling water 100 degrees Celsius, me 37 degrees Celsius, me with fever 39 degrees Celsius, Baguio 11 degrees Celsius, refrigerator 0 degrees Celsius, freezer negative 18 degrees Celsius, Antarctica negative 80 degrees Celsius, Pluto negative 200 degrees Celsius. The numbers negative 18, negative 80, and negative 200 falls below 0 and are negative numbers. Another example, money earned or deposited is marked as positive. Money owed, debt or spent or withdrawn is marked as negative. Integers therefore are 0, natural numbers, whole numbers, and negative numbers. Number line. Integers can be represented on a number line that extends to the left and to the right. It is indicated by arrows. Positive integers on the right of 0, negative on the left of 0. Integers on the number line is arranged from least to greatest. If you are moving from left to right, the number line tells us which number has greater value. The one to the right is always greater than the one to the left. 5 is greater than 1. 0 is greater than negative 5. Addition and subtraction of integers. Using a number line, adding positive, move to the right. Adding negative or subtracting a positive, move to the left. Example 1. What is 1 plus 7? The answer is 8. Example 2. Negative 8 plus 3. The answer is negative 5. Addition and subtraction of integers using absolute value. Let's watch this first to understand absolute value.
What is the absolute value of -3? The number is -3. It is represented using vertical bars to the left and to the right of the number. This thing here is read as the absolute value of -3. The absolute value of a number just tells us its distance from 0 on a number line. If we have a number line like this, where will -3 lie? It will lie here. The absolute value of -3 is just asking us how far is -3 from 0. 1, 2, and 3. It's 3 units away from 0. It's simply the distance between -3 and 0, and remember that distance is never negative. We cannot say that it's -3 units away from 0. As the distance between -3 and 0 is 3, we say that the absolute value of -3 is 3. What would be the absolute value of 3 then? The absolute value of 3 will be written like this with a vertical bar to the left and the right of 3. How far is 3 from 0 on the number line? Again, it's 3 units away from 0. The absolute value of 3 is 3.
Thank you for that video. We can now proceed with addition using absolute value. Integers with same sign. Add the absolute values and use the common sign. Let's have an example. Negative 10 plus negative 10 equals absolute value of 10 plus absolute value of 10 is 20. And copy Copy the common sign which is negative. The answer is negative 20. Another example. Positive 10 plus positive 10. Copy the common sign which is positive. The answer is 20 or positive 20. Subtracting integers. To subtract an integer, add its opposite. For example, 5 minus 10, it becomes 5 plus negative 10. And the answer is negative 5. Negative 10 minus 5, it becomes negative 10 plus negative 5. And the answer is negative 15. Multiplication of integers. Same sign is positive. Positive times positive equals positive. Negative times negative equals positive. For example, 10 times 10 equals 100. Negative 10 times negative 10 equals 100. Different sign is negative. Positive times negative equals negative. Positive times negative equals negative. For example, positive 10 times negative 10 equals negative 100. Negative 10 times positive 10 equals negative 100. Any integer multiplied with 0 is 0. 10 times 0 equals 0. Negative 10 times 0 equals 0. Division of integers. Same sign is positive. Positive divided by positive equals positive. Negative divided by negative equals positive. For example, 100 divided by 10 equals 10. Negative 100 divided by negative 10 equals 10. Different sign is negative. Positive divided by negative equals negative. Negative divided by positive equals negative.